Welcome back. In the previous session, we studied about the control statement introduction, and some control statement declarations is also over. The control statement, actually control statements are of many kind of control statements are there. In the control statements, the control statement will give us the representation of a particular control will execute some skipping some lines of the code. Even the skipping lines of code also that will execute particularly for better results and better understandable. Okay. So control statements are of two kinds: condition control statements, and the second one is the unconditional control statements. Condition control statement we saw, and the conditional control statement we have to see different conditional control statements. What are those? As are loop statements, whereas one-way selection, two-way selection, multi-way selection statements. So in condition, based on the condition, the control will go and will execute differently. In one-way selection, only one way is there. If that condition is true, that will go. After that, two-way selection, two selections are there. Among two selections at a time, that will execute one. Multiple selections are there, that is else if ladder and also switch, both two are multiple selections. Above them only one selected at a time. We discussed in the previous class. In this class we are moved to discuss about the loops. What are loops? During looping, a set of statements are executed until some conditions for termination of the loop is encountered. Loop is nothing but an execution of a block of statements repeatedly. Executing the block of statement repeatedly, and which terminates at some condition is satisfied. Terminating. A program loop, therefore, consists of two segments, one known as body of the loop, another is control statement. In the loop statement, we observe two things: body of the loop, and also the control statement. To encounter, that is to skip the loop, to terminate the loop, we are using this condition. Based on some condition we give, with the condition the loop will be executed repeatedly. If this condition is unsatisfied, this loop will go out. That's about the a program loop, therefore consists of two segments, one known as body of the loop. First one is the body of the loop, and other is the control statement. This is the body of the loop, this is control statement. The control statement tests certain conditions and then directs the repeated execution of the statement, and which will test some condition and then directs the repeated execution of the statement. It checks which will allow to repeat these statements. Okay, so that contained in the body of the loop, whatever the body of the loop, the information is contained. So that will have to see. So different kind of control statement to test certain conditions. In looping processes in general would include the following 4 steps. In the looping we have to follow some steps. Setting and initialization of the counter. Step 1, set the initialization of the counter. Execution of the statements in the loop, execution of the statements which are available in the loop, and tests for a specified conditions for the execution of the loop, specified condition for testing, and incrementing the counter, setting counter and execution of the loop statement and test for specified conditions and increment the counter, increment or the decrement the counter. Not only incrementing, you may also the decrementing of the counter. So these are 4 steps to provide the following loops. And if we are having the different kind of loops in the language, different kind of loops are there in the language. So the language loops are many kind of the loops available in the loops in the C language. Condition control loops are the first one is loops. First one is you have to see this condition control loop. Condition control loop. First one is while loop. While loop. First one is while loop. Second one is do while loop. Do while loop. Second one is do while loop. Third one is the for loop. For loop. Loop statements, very very important. Loop statement. All those loop statements should be working with on the condition. On the condition. On condition only they have to work. On condition only they have to work. On condition only they have to work these condition statement. While, do while and for. The loop statement. Loop is nothing but a set of statement. Those can be executed repeatedly until the condition is false. So these are also loops. See the while loop, first one, while loop. While is a loop, entry controlled loop. While is a entry controlled loop. What is this loop? While is the entry controlled loop. Entry controlled. Entry controlled. Entry controlled in the sense that at the beginning only they have to check the condition. They have to check the condition. See, in entry controlled loop syntax. So while condition that is update or initialize the that is initialization of a variable. At the beginning, initialization of a variable should be there. After initialization, while which checks the condition. If this condition is satisfied, then this block of code will be executed. Otherwise, this will go out. So repeatedly execution this statement. Repeatedly which executes the statements. If this condition is satisfied, then the block of code will be executed, update the variable, and which goes to the initialization block of statement. In this also block of statement, updation is also there. Updation is also there. Updation of a particular variables is also there. With the help of this updation, if this content is satisfied, the block of code will be executed. Otherwise, which executes next statements. The flow diagram show. So update the value. Update, that is the initialization of your values. Initialization of your variables. In the initialization, which checks the condition. Is this condition is satisfied, the block of code will be executed. The block of code will be executed. If it is true, then the block of code will be executed and update the value. Any times the condition is satisfied, many number of times the loop will be executed, loop will be executed repeatedly, loop will be executed repeatedly, loop executes. If it is false, what this condition is false, the automatically which goes to the next, out of the loop, next statements, out of the loop which will go. At the beginning we are checking, the control, entry control loop. At the beginning we have to check the condition. That's why we are calling entry control loop. Okay. So this is the actual syntax for while loop and also the structure of the while loop. See example here. Hash include stdio.h header file. After that header file, main function, we created main function n1. N is equal to number 1. Initialization of the variable. Num1 is the initialization of the variable. While num less than or is equal to 10, what happened? Second one, while less than is equal to 10, number less than or is equal to 10, automatically the control will skip the execution of the third statement. One is for variable declaration, initialization. Second one is the condition, and the third one is the repeated execution of the instructions. See here, number is initially 1 less than or is equal to 10, it is true, then the block of code will be executed, 1 will be printed first. 1 will printed, after that increment by 1. Num plus plus means increment by 1. Okay. So num is initially 1 printed, after it is incremented 2 less than is equal to 10. Yes, true. Again which comes into the printing the 2 number, 1 will print first, 2 will print first, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up to 10. If 10 is 10 less than or is equal to 10, it is true, 10 will be printed. Num plus plus means 10 is incremented by 1, 11, while 11 less than or is equal to 10, it is false. At that time, this loop will go out. The loop will be exited. This is about the printing of numbers from 1 to 10 using while loop. One is for initialization of the loop. Second is for the testing condition for the loop, and the third one is the body of the loop body that will execute so much times depending upon this condition, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so this is about the while loop. Now go to do while loop. What is the do while loop? While is an entry control loop, the opposite form of the loop is do while loop. At the beginning, the while will check at the beginning. Here, the do while, the do while loop will be executes after the statements executes. Body of the loop will execute first and the condition check at the end of the loop. Okay. So whereas if you take while loop, while will check at the beginning, whereas do while will check at the end of that. Condition will check at the end. See this do while will be executed at two statements. First one is the do statement. All the statements which are available in the do, those statements are executed in do format. After that the condition will check, while condition, comma, semicolon. The loop which execute at least one time is called a do while loop. First of all, it executes the statements, after that it checks the condition. Whereas if you take while loop, While we'll check at the condition beginning of the statements, and after, if it is true only, the body of statement executed. Here not that. First of all, executing the body of the statements, executing body of the statement. At the end, which checks the condition. At the end, which checks the condition. So see the syntax and the example of this flow diagram. Flow diagram example for the do while loop. Do block of statements. First of all, execute these block of statements. Execute these block of statements. After executing this block of statements, the condition will check. If this condition is true, the true block will execute repeatedly, which executes until the condition is false. Until the condition is false, out of loop. If this condition is false, which goes to the out of loop condition. So this is about the do while. While is a entry controlled loop at the entry level only, which controls the execution. Whereas do while is the exit controlled loop. At the end of the statement, the loop, the automatically which checks at the end of the loop. Pre-test loop is also known as while. While we simply call as pre-test loop or entry control loop. Do while will tells us the post-test loop or exit control loops. So while is checking at the beginning, do while is checking at the end. Do while is checking at the end. Do while and while. So see this example, do while statement. Do while statement. In this do while statement, include stdio.h main into num1. Num is initialized by 1. Num is initialized by 1. After that, do statement execute. After that, do statement executes like this. Do statement executes printf the number 2 into num, 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4, 2 into 5. So likewise, after that, num will be incremented by 1, 1 into 2 into 1, 3 into 1, 4 into 1, 5 into 1, 6 into 1, loop will fails. So first is which prints the 2 into 1, 2 value which prints, 2 value which will print first. So every C program is starting from the main. So from here, in num value is initialized with 1. After that, do statement printf printing the 2 into 1 value. How much 2 into 1 is 2 value. Num is incremented by 1. That is num initially 1. That is incremented by 1. 2. Now which checks at this time, which checks the condition. 2 less than or is equal to 10. It is true. Again which go to the execute condition. That is 2 into 2. 4 will be printed. 4 will be printed. And num again increment by 1. 3. Now num is 3. 3 less than or is equal to 10. 3 less than or is equal to 10. It is true. Again which goes to the execution of this statement. 3 into num, 2 into 3. 6 will be printed. 8 will be printed. Likewise 2, 4, 6, 8 and likewise up to the num value is exceeded to this condition. Num less than or is equal to 11. 11 less than or is equal to the time of 11 condition, this statement will false and the loop will terminate. The loop will 10 times this loop will execute. Okay. So likewise up to 20 which will print 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Up to now it prints So now num is equal to 1, which prints num is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up to 10. Now if num is equal to 11, automatically which is skip the execution. So this is about the do while statement. This is about the do while statement. So we are seeing do while statement is a statement which will checks at the end of the loop. Okay. So with this we stop this session. We will continue to the next class. Thank you.